take a deep breath in my life, step back in my life, and I had to think twice though. Niggas always wanna fight me. What it do? Pussy nigga, where the pipe be? You say you hard, wanna roll, let's get it in the street. I don't give a fuck, nigga, I will take all the beef and the steak and the turkey, man, I'll even eat it up. Fuck around with the gun, pussy nigga, you get stuck in the hood. Where you from? Put you 6 feet underground. Bitch, nigga, told you niggas, man, I don't play around. When you playing with your life, nigga, it's a fucking battle. Pussy nigga, get your life and you wanna get that rattle. Have you ever been hit with a gun that make you tatter? Had you falling off your skin, pussy nigga, in the battle, man, you running, you ducking, you hiding, you crying, talking about baby girl, this nigga got me dying, I need a little help, put it all up in my soul. Said this nigga hit me with an AK and I can't blow, I can't even take a breath, cause this shit has got me real. What the fuck is going on? I can't catch my fucking breath. This nigga, he a G, and they crazy in these streets, shouldn't have never fucked with it. Now I'm bringing on the heat, and I'm eyes wide open, but I'm fucking blinking slow. Got my eyes going closed and he gotta go. He shoulda knew what he did, cause he from the south. Run around, ran his mouth, had to stomp him out. Nigga didn't want that paper, want that cheddar cheese. Fucking hit him with Beretta, let that nigga breathe. Now he eating bullets, told the nigga do it. Talking about he hard, like he really do it. You ain't want it with us, I told you nigga sure. I'm the tool type of nigga, got that fucking dough. I'm a nice nigga when it come to the rap game. If you want that gun, I can put it on that pack game. Apply, pap, and it's all the same. And if you wanna get it, go and get your money, man.